Ahoy, shipmates. That's another land-based activity today. We're here at Holyrood Church in Southampton. There's a memorial service for the D-Day commemorations. During the Second World War, November 1940, Holyrood Church was bombed. It's been kept as it was. The clock tower remained, but the centre of the church has gone missing. There you go, there's the clock tower. It's been updated and now turned into a bit of a memorial for various naval seamen. I've come down to Lepe Beach to see a beacon lighting. Lepe was used as a secret manufacturing site. 6 massive concrete caissons were built here and then towed across the channel, where they formed part of the Mulberry Harbour used in the D-Day landings.
Okay, thank you ladies and gentlemen for your patience. We are just about to start the process of lighting the beacon. I will hand the microphone over to Richard Thomas, so kindly reading the international tribute after the D-Day beacons ceremony on the border that we read back as the next episode, so should be good. The tribute. Let us remember those who gave their lives at home and abroad during the D-Day landings, whose sacrifice enables us all to enjoy the peace and freedom we have today. Let us remember those who came home wounded, physically and mentally, and the friends and family who cared for them. Let us remember those who returned to restore their relationships and rebuild their working lives after years of conflict and turmoil. Let us remember the families that lost husbands, wives, sons, daughters, and sweethearts. Let us remember the servicemen and women and merchant seafarers of all nationalities from all countries who fought, suffered, and died during the D-Day landings and 6 years of war. Let us all remember those in the Royal Navy, the Army, the Royal Air Force, the Merchant Navy, and our allies, the brave people who kept us safe on the home front and abroad, and those in reserved occupations during the difficult time of war. Let us remember the brave doctors and nurses who cared for the wounded, the men and women who toiled in the fields, the coal mines, the factories, and the air raid wardens, the police officers, the firemen, the ambulance drivers, and the young people of the Scouts and Guides, who all played such a vital role in the war.
And with those very moving words, we come to the end of our beacon lighting ceremony. Thank you all so much for joining us here at Lepe. It's truly an honour for us to be able to host on the 80th anniversary of D-Day with such a close physical connection to the park. The beacon will remain on for 30 to 40 minutes. The park will be closing at 10 o'clock, so please feel free to take any photos and to stay around the area. Thank you again for joining us all.